Hello my friends, your coach Mr. Magnifico has returned. We are broadcasting from Studio 520. Today we're going to look at another example of how to solve a division, how to find a quotient on a division with decimals. So we're going to look at this number right here. We're going to look at A. So I already wrote that down on my chart, and here's what is going to happen. So they want us to express the quotient, which means the answer of a division, in a standard form and unit forms. Okay, now what they're doing is they're breaking this out for us. So what they did is they separated this into ones and into hundredths. So if I have to separate that will be 9 plus, and the hundreds will be 36 hundredths. Okay, that will be the version of the decomposition of the number. So now what they do is, here's the first part. So they actually create a separate division for each of them. So then we will say how many ones do we have. So we have 9. So 9 ones, and this is your unit form. 9 ones divided by 3. So there is the division. This 9 1 is divided by 3 exclusively. Then there's a second division, which is the 36 hundredths. So now we're going to write here 36 hundredths, right? And I forgot to write down the word, but I'm going to write it as a fraction, which will be the same thing. So 36 hundredths, well, yeah, this will be 3600. All right, let me change markers. This one is failing me. So now now we need to find the answer for this division and the answer for this division. And as you can see, when you do division right here, this is the same plus sign. I know this is a little confusing, but if you just don't panic and pay attention, it will be easy. Now you ask yourself, how many ones? 9 ones divided by 3, the answer will be 3 ones. Obviously, right? 9 divided by 3, because 3 times 3 equals 9. So that's how you will check your division. Now, that will be the answer for this section right here. Now, our second division is right here. So it's 36 hundredths divided by 3. Now, the answer will be, well, we all know that, let me just write this one, 3 times a number equals 36. Oh, well, let me show you this. My apologies. So 3 times a number equals 36. So I have 36, I have 3, there's 36 and 3. So the answer for that will be, I know that 3 times 10 equals 30. So this is probably 12. 3 times 12 equals 36. So now you write the answer here. When you divide 36 by 3, then the answer is 1200. So this is your answer in a unit form. It's going to be 3 ones and 12 hundredths. Okay, so that's your answer. This is what we call the unit form. Unit form. Now we have to find the standard form. Standard. So the standard form is just right above it, right? It's 3 ones, and we have 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths, we know that there is a decimal, and those two numbers go to the right of the decimal point. That will be your answer in a standard form. And we found the quotient. So the quotient, again, the quotient in two forms. Here is the unit form, and here is quotient. Okay, so remember to review this, how to do this, solve these simple equations of division using unit form and standard form. Signing out, your coach, my friends, Mr. Magnifico. You have a wonderful afternoon.